Hi, welcome to Snithik's Remai Vlogs. Today I will teach you how to solve a Rubik Cube with two algorithms. So let's get into that. In YouTube you will get a lot of I can say that lot of videos. So which may be Telugu, Hindi or English. So in this video, how quickly you can solve a Rubik Cube. Let's see this. Uh, Here, this is a 3 by 3 Rubik Cube, means a 3 by 3 Rubik Cube, which is having a 6 faces, means 6 colors. So, the colors, ఒకటి white, yellow, red, orange, and blue, and the green. Okay, so here one more thing, we will learn that uh, what are the layers are there. Okay, let's see the layers. Okay, bottom one is a first layer, we will call it as a first layer. So this is the middle one is a second layer, and the last top one is a third layer. Okay, that is the layers about this Rubik cube. Okay, next come to the corner pieces. So corner piece means this is the corner piece which is having a three colors. It may be, say now you can see that red, green and yellow. So in the same way these all are the corner pieces, and this is the edge piece which is having a two colors. See, if you see that one, red, yellow. See, if you see here, red, blue. So these all are the edge pieces. So now I am repeating one more time. So these are the corner pieces. These all are edge pieces, and this is a center piece. Center piece, which is not going to, it will not move. Center piece. Okay. So one more thing. So ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే ఈ white piece opposite is a yellow piece. White middle piece opposite is yellow middle piece. Every time it will be there. And another thing is orange opposite red, and green opposite blue. Okay, this is about the Rubik cube, and this how what are the layers are there. Okay, let's learn about the labels. Labels means, so how we need to turn this Rubik cube. Okay, so if you see that one, this is called as a phase. Phases, these all are the phases. Phase. So if you see that one, this phase, if you turn like this way, I'm saying that, see one more time, if you turn this way, this is we can say that clockwise direction. If you turn this way, it is on anti-clockwise direction. So let's give a label for that. So if you turn this way, this is we are calling it as a phase. Phase nu manam clockwise tipte, the notation, the label is called F. I am giving that notations in that screen. You can see that F. If you turn this one, F, and if you turn anti-clockwise is the F dash, means F prime, we'll call it as a F prime. So another thing, let's see one more notation. Or right side, if you turn right side clockwise direction, that is R. If you turn right side anti-clockwise direction, that is R dash. So this is R, this is R dash. Okay, another thing is, from the left side, if you turn anti-clock is L dash. If you turn clockwise, that is called L. So let me see that. This is L, this is L dash. Okay, and another thing, if you turn this way, one more thing. Okay, now we see that next one, if you type like clockwise, that is U. If you type anti-clockwise, that is U dash, U prime. So let me tell you one more time. Okay, this is R. If you turn this way, R dash. If you turn, this is L. This is L dash. This is U. This is U dash. And this is face F. And this is F dash. Okay. These all are the basic notations which you need to remember that. Okay. And next one we will see that how to solve a Rubik cube first layer. Okay. Today we'll see that how to solve the first layer. Okay. Let me take another one which is not solved. It's not solved Rubik cube. This is a solved Rubik cube. It is not solved. Okay. So here what we need, every time I will take of two opposite colors, right? So one is this one. I said that white, opposite is that yellow. Okay, let's take this one, white opposite yellow one. So first what we need to do is white opposite to yellow side. First we will put as these corner pieces. Sorry, these edge pieces will make it as a white color. So it is a very normal thing. You can do it. First we will check that one. This one, where is the white color? Okay, so this is the white is here. So let's put it back the white here. Okay, this one solved. And another white. Okay, white is here. Let's turn it. Turn this way and turn this way and put it back. So this is a small one. So you can able to do that one. This one. And where is another one? Here. So and put it back. So here we solve that 4. Middle is the yellow and these all are the white edge pieces. So now what we'll do is, so these all are, what are this edge pieces, white pieces need to come down. Okay, to come down, what we need to do, please see that. Okay, here the color is blue, so this color also should be blue. So let's move it. Where is the blue color? Okay, here the blue color is there. Okay, here is the blue color. So white is there, blue is there. So what we need to do is just turn it upside down. So upside down, you need to make it upside down. So let me turn it upside down. Okay, now it down. Okay, now go to the next color. So here the color is green and it should be a green color. Green color, yes, is a green color matching. Now turn to upside down. Okay, now go to the next color. Okay, here also mapped directly. Orange, turn upside down. Okay, done. Next color is that red. Red need to match the red. We'll see that where is the red. Okay, we got the red and turn upside down. Okay, we turn upside down and come to see that one. All the edge pieces are solved. If you see that, all the edge pieces are solved. So here what we are doing, we are solving the first layer. So solving the first layer. So now what we need to do is we need to solve this corner pieces. Sorry, you need to solve this corner pieces. Let's see the corner pieces. Okay, so here that corner piece, we'll see that. Okay, let's take this corner piece. What is the color of this corner piece? One is a red, another one is a green. So this one need to go, first we need to check that one. It should be have a two colors place. So here the blue, it is not here. It should go. So let's see that, let's move it. Okay, so if you see that red, the center one red, and here is that, what is the green? So means that this piece should go here. Okay, so here is the first algorithm that I am trying here. The first algorithm is or algorithm, right algorithm. So as I said that we have only two algorithm. One is the left algorithm, one is the right algorithm. So here we are using the right algorithm. What is the right algorithm? So if using the right algorithm, we need to put this corner piece to down. Okay, let's see that. So what is the right algorithm? Let me show you the right algorithm first. Okay, right algorithm is, okay, let me give that. Okay, let me show you that how the right algorithm will looks like. So this is, I'm just showing that how the right algorithm looking like. Okay, right is or, okay, u or dash u dash. That is a right algorithm. Let me show you one more time. Or u or dash u dash. So how easy, if you want to learn, or how easy you can remember this one. Let's see that one thing. So first here what we are doing, from this hand, right hand, we are turning it. This is R. From this hand, I'm saying that from this hand we are turning, this is a U. And using this hand, I'm putting back or dash. So after that, I am using my left hand to turning this. This is a U dash. Let me show you one more time. Or this hand, U this hand, or dash this hand, and after that this hand to U dash. This is the R algorithm. Okay. Let me show you L algorithm. L algorithm, L dash, U dash, L, U. Okay. Let me show you L dash, U dash, L, U. Okay. Here also same thing. Using this hand, left hand, I am using my left hand. So L dash from this hand, U dash from this side, L, after that this hand, U. This is the left algorithm. This is the right algorithm. So you should remember only these two algorithms. Using that we can solve this entire Rubik cube. Okay, let's remember this one. Okay, let's go back to our actual solving the Rubik cube. Okay, here what we are doing is, here if you see that one, this is the red is there, green, and here the green is there. So we need to put this corner piece to down. Okay, so as I told you that right algorithm, or dash, sorry, u or dash u dash. Is it come? Yes. Is it down? Okay. Next one. We'll see the next color. Okay. Let's take this color. This is having a blue and red. Let's put it blue side. Okay. This is a blue. This is a red. So means that this piece should come down here. Okay. Here also same. Or u or dash u dash. That's it. It will come down. Okay. Then see the next color. Okay. If you see this color, here it's there. Already is there, but the same places. So if you see the green is here. Orange is here. So just need to flip it to put it back, put it white back. Okay. Same algorithm. How many times you want to repeat it. But only thing is, your ultimate goal is this white piece should come down. Why? Because this is having a two color, these two color matching these corner pieces. Okay, let's do that. Okay, or u, r dash, u dash. Is it solved? No. Let's do it one more time. R, u, r dash, u dash. Is it solved? No. Still be here. R, u, r dash, u dash. Is it solved? No. One more time. R, u, r dash, u dash. If you see that one, this is also solved. And next to come to the this one. This is also correct place is there. Only thing is it has to come down. Okay. Now here also the rule is OR rule or algorithm, that is R U R dash U dash R U R dash U dash. Yes, it's solved. Now if you see that one, if you solve the entire white downside, and if you see the edge first layer, see that first layer is totally solved. If you see that one, first layer is solved. So this is about the solving the first layer of the Rubik cube. Okay, I hope you people understand that. I hope you people like this video. Please share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.